took everything from me. I'll take everything from you!
You think you can win the Royal Art Competition? As long as I'm here, you'll never win!
Those are my competition entries! I worked for months!
Stop drawing your stupid pictures. Go clear the snow. You're locked in the attic until the competition is over. No lights, no heat, no drawing.
I don't want to stay here. Please. I just need one chance.
No, I didn't paint it. She made me do it.
Remove this woman from the hall. Immediately.
You think you can win the Royal Art Competition? As long as I'm here, you'll never win!
Those are my competition entries! I worked for months!
Lily deserves that trophy. Not you. Never you.
We'll see who the real artist is.
All you do is waste your time on this worthless garbage. Stop drawing your stupid pictures. Go clear the snow. You're locked in the attic until the competition is over. No lights, no heat, no drawing.
I don't want to stay here. Please. I just need one chance.
Not even one chance. I won't let you compete. My daughter must win. You will never be a painter. Stop daydreaming. Some people have talent. Some people don't. That's just life.
It's so cold. I can barely feel my fingers. What am I supposed to do? I really want to take part in the competition. I have this board. I can't give up. The cold doesn't matter. The dark doesn't matter. All that matters is the art. Every line is a feeling. Every shadow is a story. The moonlight is my only witness, and it's enough. This isn't just a drawing. This is my soul on this board.
Another competition. Another year of mediocre art. Where is the fire? Where is the passion? Wait, what is that? I've never seen anything like it. The raw emotion. The honesty.
Who could be knocking at this hour? In this weather?
Hello, I'm Mr. Harrison.
Mr. Harrison? The Mr. Harrison? Oh my goodness! Please, come in. Come in!
I apologize for the intrusion, but I saw something extraordinary through that upstairs window.
Upstairs? Oh, you mean You mean my daughter Lily artwork?
That piece on the wooden board in the attic. It moved me. The depth, the pain, the hope. How did you create that?
I just felt inspired. You know, artistic inspiration.
I see. Well, I'll judge your work at the competition. Not your words.
Ladies and gentlemen, the final piece of the night. The artwork that has stunned our judges. Now, let's welcome the creator of this painting. Lily, do you have anything to say to everyone?
Thank you. I'm so honored. I worked really hard on this.
That's my girl. That's my brilliant, talented girl.
Miss Lily, before we award the prize, I need to ask you something. Something important.
Of course. Ask me anything. I have nothing to hide.
This light here, why did you paint it cutting through the darkness? What does it represent?
It represents, well...
Come on. Hurry up and tell us your inspiration.
Miss Lily? I'm waiting. Any artist who created this would have an answer, wouldn't they?
Because it's cool. Black is cool. I just liked how it looked.
What's going on? Can't even answer this. Did this girl really paint this?
That painting isn't hers.
Libu, how did you were supposed to be...
Let him through. I want to hear what this boy has to say.
These hands made every mark on this board. Every line. Every shadow. Every tear.
Then tell us, young man, what does this painting mean? What is the story behind it?
This drawing wasn't created for fun. It was born in the freezing dark. The dark lines are the cold winter night, and the bright light is the hope that no one can burn away.
Lily, I'm going to ask you one more time, and I want the truth. Did you paint this?
No, I didn't paint it. She made me do it. She burned Libu paintings and locked him in the attic. She told me to say it was mine.
She's lying. She's just a confused child. Don't believe her.
That's not just a painting. That's a soul. And you, young man, are the winner.
No, this isn't right. He had no light, no warmth, no help. How could he create something like this?
Remove this woman from the hall. Immediately.
You took everything from me. I'll take everything from you!